Hello, welcome to my NCLEX Prep channel. So today we're gonna talk about the practical nursing course in Canada. I got so many messages about the practical nursing. So people are asking me about what is the practical nursing, what is the course duration, fee structures, career opportunity and all that. So I have decided to make one single video regarding the practical nursing course in Canada. So in this video, we're gonna talk about the admission requirement. What is the practical nursing? And also we're going to talk about what are the courses that you need to study during the whole program, what is the course duration, course fees for the domestic and international students both, and placement requirement, and at the end we also going to talk about the career opportunities for once you finish the practical nursing, then where you get job and how to get a job. So stay tuned with my video. So let's start. First discuss about what is the practical nursing. So practical nursing, which is diploma program and 2 years program. In India, there is a GNM. So it is the same kind of course here, which is called the practical nursing. In practical nursing, they assess they're gonna know about your clinical skills, judgment skills, and knowledge skills as well. Now second, if we talk about the admission requirement. So for the domestic or international student, for both, you have to have grade 11, 12 English, maths, biology, physics or chemistry. So if we talk about the percentage, then it's somewhere around 60 to 70%. But I know for the international students, some people doesn't have the maths in grade 11 and 12. So if they have question regarding how to get admission for their students, you can take admission in the pre-health science course, which is also the 6 to 8 months program. Once you finish that program, then you are eligible to get admission in the practical nursing program. Now if you are the international student, there is another requirement which is called the language proficiency. So for the language proficiency, you have to take IELTS, which is academic, not general, or TOEFL or PT you can take. So I have seen most of students are taking the IELTS academic. For the IELTS academic, you have to have minimum all over 6 band, which is no less than 5.5. And please keep in mind, the score maybe varies depending on the colleges. I'm gonna talk about the Ontario colleges, which is specific Conestoga College. But if you are planning to get admission in the different colleges, then it might varies. So keep in mind that one. Now third, if we talk about the what courses that you need to study during this program, so let's talk about the courses. In semester 1, you're gonna learn about the basic human anatomy, mandatory professional practicum, practical nursing 1, practical nursing theory 1, practical nursing health assessment, psychology introduction, writing skills for nursing professions. In semester 2, practical nursing theory 2, mandatory professional practicum, practical nursing 2, practical nursing pharmacotherapeutics 1, mandatory professional practicum, practical nursing 3, basic human physiology, psychology, developmental. In semester 3, mandatory professional practicum, practical nursing 4, practical nursing theory 3, legal and ethical concepts, practical nursing pharmacotherapeutics 2, sociology introduction. And in the last semester, you're gonna learn about the leadership and nursing concept review, practical nursing complex issue and patient safety, mandatory professional practicum, and practical nursing pre-grade. Also keep in mind that these courses may vary depending on the colleges. Now let's talk about the duration of the program, so which is 2-year program. And if we talk about the semester wise, the total 4 semester. So if you don't take a break, then you can finish within 1.5 year this program. Now if we talk about the fee structure, then for the domestic students, it's gonna be somewhere around $10,000 to $12,000 for whole program. But for the international student, it's gonna be somewhere around $28,000 to $32,000 for a whole program. And also for the international student, they have to take insurance for health insurance, which is gonna cost you extra $500 to $1,000 somewhere around. Now let's talk about the placement requirement. So once you finish the program, then you have to take the placement. Once you finish the placement, then you are eligible to write an exam. So for the placement requirement, you have to have the CPR. CPR certificate, then first aid certificate. Also you have to have like vulnerable sector check, that means police clearance. And also you have to have N95 mask fitting. That's not mandatory, but depends on your where you're gonna take a placement, depends on your hospital, long-term care or retirement home. Now let's talk about the exam. So once you finish the program, then you have to book an exam in which is called the NCLEX-RN exam. Once you pass the exam, then you are eligible to register for your license. So you have to register a license in CNO if you are living in Ontario, which is called this CNO means College of Nurses Ontario. For that also you have to pay money, so which is somewhere around $350. I made a video regarding that, so please watch that video too. Now at the end, if we talk about the career opportunity, so once you finish the practical nursing and once you got your registered practical nurse license or licensed practical nurse license, then you are eligible to work in a long-term care home, retirement home, hospitals, clinic, or you can also do the travel nursing as well. So depending on your experience, you can start with the long-term care or retirement home, or if you are back home experience clinically, like operating room experience or emergency room experience, then you can directly get a job in hospital as well if you have preference. My case, I had experience in operating room, so I got my job in operating room directly here in hospital. So it might be varies. If you have any question regarding the practical nursing course, then please comment down below, so I will give you more information regarding things. Thank you.